Real-world division, the magic of dividing measurements. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a super practical aspect of English number usage, dividing measurements. In our everyday lives, we frequently use this skill, often without even realizing it. Whether you're cooking a recipe, measuring distance, or splitting up tasks, understanding division in English is crucial. So, let's dive right in and get to dividing measurements. In the world around us, division is everywhere. If you've ever shared a pizza with friends, you've used division. When you split up a day's worth of tasks among family members, that's division. When you measure out ingredients for a recipe, that's also division. Today, we're focusing on how we use division with measurements. Measurements are used in various aspects of life, such as in cooking, traveling, and even while doing household chores. Imagine you're reading an English recipe for cookies that serves 8 people, but you only have 4 guests coming over. What do? You divide the measurements in the recipe by 2. If the recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar, you would only use 1 cup for 4 servings. This is a perfect example of how you use division in measurements in real life. Have you ever had to share driving duties on a long road trip? This is another instance where you'd use division. Suppose the journey is 800 miles, and there are 4 drivers. You would divide 800 by 4 to find out that each driver needs to drive 200 miles. In this case, the measurement being divided is the distance of the journey. Even while doing household chores, division comes into play. Imagine you need to divide the tasks between yourself and your roommate. If there are 10 tasks, and 2 of you, you could divide 10 by 2. That would mean each of you needs to do 5 tasks. Here, you're dividing the measurement of tasks between people. So, there you have it. Division of measurements is a practical and everyday application of math that we use in real-life scenarios. From cooking to traveling to chores, division is a vital part of our lives. We hope this video helps you better understand and apply the concept of division in English. Happy learning and see you in our next video.